If you're waking up at 3 a.m. almost every night, there's a reason. Now, some people might tell you that your cortisol is high, which may be true, but here's the twist, because sometimes cortisol is high and sometimes cortisol is low. I mean, really, really low from years of high stress. Most people think that insomnia comes from high cortisol alone. I mean, you're wired, you're tired, you can't shut down. But early waking, I mean like 2, 3, or 4 o'clock in the morning, is usually different. That's often due to a low cortisol problem. So here's what's happening behind the scenes. Cortisol's job at night is to quietly keep your blood sugar stable when you sleep. And this is shown in a normal cortisol curve as cortisol rises in the wee hours. But if you're running from a tiger, that's not the time to sleep in late. I mean, you need cortisol and adrenaline to survive the threat. But with chronic stress, day after day, your system can crash. Your cortisol output goes down. Your brain actually shuts down your adrenal output all day and all night. Now at night when you sleep, your body can't keep your blood sugar steady with cortisol alone. You simply don't have enough of it. So it flips to plan B, and plan B is adrenaline. Adrenaline raises your blood sugar. It's kind of like the wild child of controlling blood sugar, because instead of a calm, predictable rise as we saw with cortisol, adrenaline kicks in hard and you bolt awake at 3 or 4 in the morning, heart racing, mind spinning. Dysfunctionally low cortisol during the day means high adrenaline at night. So when you fix the cortisol problem, you start fixing your sleep patterns too. And when you're sleeping, everything else improves. So the next time you're staring at the ceiling at 3 in the morning, ask yourself this: is this really a sleep problem? Or is it a cortisol problem? Then ask yourself, so how do I know and what can I do about it? You guys will all know after you check out this video on cortisol testing below in the description, and let me know in the comments if you guys can relate to this, and I'll see you there.